Be honest. You've probably wished you could learn something instantly. Like snap your fingers, and suddenly, boom, you know it. Backflips, guitar solos, speaking French. Or maybe you wanted to finally pull off that cool move from a TikTok trend everyone couldn't stop doing. Back then, we wanted to impress our friends, or maybe our sixth grade crush. Now, we want to learn things that actually matter. Business, languages, tech, sports, skills that shape our future. But there's one problem. Most of us suck at learning fast. Why we struggle. And it's not even your fault. School taught us how to memorize facts. Just long enough to pass the test, then forget them the next day. But memorization isn't learning. Learning means you understand it, apply it, and remember it so well. It becomes second nature. Think back to the last thing you try to learn. A new language, coding, an instrument. You probably watch a ton of tutorials, read a bunch of stuff, and then nothing stuck. Why? Because you focused on input, watching, reading, listening. When real learning happens with output, doing, practicing, and teaching. The swimming analogy. It's like trying to learn swimming from a book. You can study all the techniques in the world, but the moment you hit the water, you sink. Learning is a contact sport. You got to jump in and get messy. Use the 80-20 rule. Here's your first cheat code, the 80-20 rule. It means 80% of your results come from just 20% of your effort. Focus on what matters most. Want to learn a language? Forget 10,000 words. Learn the 1,000 most common ones. Want to play guitar? Don't start with solos. Learn the basic chords first. Master the essentials. Then everything else becomes easier. Next up, active recall. Instead of reading the same paragraph 10 times, close the book. Try to remember what it said. This forces your brain to work. And working your brain, that's how memory sticks. Think of it like the gym. You don't get stronger by staring at dumbbells. You have to lift. Spacing effect. Now listen, cramming doesn't work long term. Instead, use the spacing effect. Study in short sessions, over time. 1 hour a day for 6 days beats 6 hours in 1 day. Every time you review a topic, your brain strengthens the connection. Like walking a trail in the forest. The more you use it, the clearer it gets. Let's talk about deliberate practice. Don't just do what you're already good at. That's coasting. Work on your weaknesses. It's uncomfortable, but that's where growth happens. If you're learning to draw, stop sketching the same anime characters 69 times. Draw hands, faces, perspectives. Do the hard stuff. Teach to learn. Here's a powerful hack. Teach it. Even if you're not an expert, when you teach, you're forced to organize your thoughts, explain clearly, and identify gaps in what you don't know. Just set up your phone. Pretend you're teaching YouTube. Hundreds might watch, so you have to understand it. As they say, you don't really know something until you can explain it to a 5-year-old. Multi-sensory learning. Your brain loves variety. Reading alone isn't enough. Try visual, auditory, and hands-on learning. Learning Spanish. Listen to native speakers. Watch Spanish YouTubers. Write it down. Say it out loud. The more senses you use, the stronger the memory becomes. Make learning fun. Learning doesn't have to be boring. Make it fun. Set small goals. Reward yourself. Turn it into a game. Compete with a friend. Use progress tracking apps. Unlock virtual badges. Every win, no matter how small, triggers dopamine. And that dopamine, it keeps you going. But here's the catch. Kill distractions. Be careful not to slip into TikTok the second you get distracted. Multitasking feels productive, but it's not. Your brain can only focus on one thing at a time. So silence your phone, close extra tabs, and give your full attention to learning. Sleep equals superpower. Oh, and don't skip sleep. Seriously, while you sleep, your brain processes what you learned, strengthens connections, clears the junk. Pulling an all-nighter, you're sabotaging yourself. Rest is part of the process. Also, take breaks. Your brain, just like your muscles, needs recovery time. Growth mindset. And here's the final secret. Your mindset matters. If you believe you're bad at learning, you will be. But if you believe you can improve, you will. Just add one word to your self-talk. I can't do this yet. That one word changes everything. So let's wrap this up. Want to learn faster than everyone else? Practice deliberately. Teach what you know. Use all your senses. Get sleep. Kill distractions. And above all, enjoy the process. Because learning isn't just about new skills. It's about becoming a better version of you.